In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do the front raise exercise to work your anterior deltoid. Now, all that means is we're going to be working and isolating the front of the shoulder. You're going to have your arms completely straight, so this is a good way to work that anterior part of the shoulder without getting triceps to assist. So it really is a nice isolation exercise. So I'm going to be seated. I'm in a seated position here where when I have the dumbbells in my hands, I want my lower back pressed against the bench that I'm using. I'm not completely upright, I've got a very slight degree of angle, so I'm slightly back when I'm doing this exercise in terms of my position. Now for me, I'm going to have my head off the bench, the rest of my back's going to be on the bench when I start the exercise. So I'm going to pick the weights up. For a lot of people who have rounded shoulders, it's really nice to squeeze those shoulder blades together before you start the movement. Then from here, pop your feet together so your knees are out the way, you're not going to hit them. And then you're going to keep nice straight elbows as you come directly up and slowly back down. You'll notice I'm coming up to a point where my wrists are just above my shoulders and I'm returning back down to my start position under control. What you can do to make this harder is you can come into a position with the bench where you're leaning further back, or alternatively, of course, you can increase your sets and repetitions. So this would be how you do a front raise. Of course, lower the weights back down under control to the floor when you are finished. That's how to do the front raise exercise for your anterior deltoid, which you would repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.